Hello, we are here again. We are using color one attachment lush product to do this. So the style is stitches all back with two side baby face. I don't know, sure, but that is what I usually call it. So this is the process of the making of the hair. The way we started the hair right from beginning. We needed to start from here because of data and time. If we intend to show all, it will take us like hours. So we need to cut and join and then to get to this. But she's taking it slowly in order for us and most of us to understand it. So this is it. Though we have these two customers that are making the same hairstyle but different pattern. So this is the first pattern. It's still the same cutting but different pattern of making it, and then but it's the same hairstyle. This is one of it. Okay. And to my return subscribers, I say thank you very, very much and may God bless you all. We really appreciate and we love you all. Thanks a million times. And to those that have not subscribed with us, please try as much as you can to subscribe with us. We really, really appreciate it. And we pray and ask that God should bless you for us. So this is the process. This is the second curve. And then this is the final curve of it. That is how it works. This is the fourth one. It's four in one set. If you look at it very well, it's four in one set. This is the fourth line and then the fourth cut, and this is the final stage of the hair. I don't know why my ladies, my customers, and then my people in the shop love mousse. Our mousse is always not enough for us, as you can see. This is one of it. Please, if you have not subscribed with us, please try as much as you can to subscribe with us. We really appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Really appreciate you guys for being there for us. This is it. This hair is made with one. We did not finish one attach, one small attach. And this is it. The remaining one she can still use it to do something for herself. So this is, but this very pattern has one line down. The second one we are about to start will not have something like that. We will not put one at the back. That is how the owner wants it. Different pattern, different making. You're welcome to all my return subscribers, and for those that have not subscribed with us, please hit the red button for notification that whenever we upload, you will be the first to know that we have uploaded a new video, and with that you'll be able to check it out. Please like, share and follow. Encourage us, please. Thank you. We really, really appreciate you guys. This is the finishing. This hair is giving and is very, very good, and then you can like money conscious management hair. This is very nice. With a little amount of money you can look gorgeous and you can go anywhere with your hair without being ashamed of your hair, without feeling bad that your hair is unkept. This is it. We did not finish one up to one attachment and the hair is set. So this is not up to one attach and the small attach and the hair is set. So you don't need to break your bank to look good. Simple but unique, authentic. Please try to hit the right button the red button in order for you to subscribe with us. Subscription is actually free. Please, it's free. Try to subscribe with us in order for you to encourage us. We love you guys. We appreciate you guys. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.